Now that you've conducted your hazard analysis and identified potential hazards and then associated control points, it is time to determine if any of these are considered critical control points, or CCPs. There are certain criteria that must be met for a control measure to be considered a critical control point. Ask yourself the following questions. First, is it a step in the production process? Second, does it eliminate or reduce a hazard to an acceptable level? Third, is it the last step in the process that eliminates the hazard? And finally, fourth, is it possible for this step to fail and still produce a viable product that could be sold and present a hazard to the consumer? Critical control points will always be unique for any given product, process, or facility, and certain circumstances, such as environmental factors and ingredients used, will affect hazards and controls. Keep in mind that it may not be mandatory that a process has a critical control point. However, in the US, there are certain products, such as seafood and juice, that do have mandatory critical control points. A HACCP plan without any CCPs does not mean it is free of hazards. It may just mean that the control measures do not meet the strict criteria of a critical control point.